Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a number plate bulb on a Vauxhall Corsa D on a 2010 plate car. So I'm changing the number plate bulb, which is at the back. Right guys, what you're going to need is in this video is a straight screwdriver. Like I've got a small one. It's an easy DIY job, you can do it yourself and go into a garage and pay loads of money. Right guys, there's a clip right under here. I'll just show you it quickly, as you can see, and there you go. So you just put the straight screwdriver in, push it in, and the bulb unit pops out. Once you've got the bulb out, you take the wires off. It's got a clip around on the other side there. As you can see, you're going to push that clip back and take it off. Once you've got it off the unit, you just twist the unit, and there you go, there's your bulb, as you can see. And it's quite dark, as you can see the bulb is gone. So now we're going to take that out and replace it with the... Right, there you go. Now we're going to take the bulb out. As you can see, easy to straight push out bulb, pull out bulb, whatever you want to call it.
There's a new bulb you
And
can see.
the new bulb, as you can see, it's nice and clear. We're going to replace it with that. Once you've put the new bulb in, just make sure it works. As you can see, it's working fine before you put it back in. So it's working again. Put it back into the bulb unit. Same way you took it out, just twist it in. And now you're going to make sure you put it back in the right way. So you're going to put that side back in first, which fits in carefully into there, and then push that side back in. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.